as Lionel Messi at Inter Miami hosts what's in store tonight. We'll find out when we come back from
2 hours. When it did, their training field was unplayable. They had
for the suspended Nathan Byrne. 4-4 to Dallas and advanced in penalties. Benjamin Cremasco.
Success. They're on a run. Is it empowering?
What is in store tonight? Underway at Drive Pins.
In a mid-block now, not allowing Taylor, Messi, Cremasco to the right. But this team doing a real good job of being on the front.
Jordi Alba cutting it back to Jose Martinez. Cremasco was just... There is Tata Martino, unbeaten. And Jordi Alba, Martinez.
Different than defensive midfield. And the rookie from Penn State's been very good.
Third-round draft pick in the Super Draft, Andrew Pivot. Played 53 minutes in their final match before Leagues Cup off the bench. Has now started all 4. Now
prove your worth. Every single athlete on any team, whether Messi's on your team or not, when you're better than the 3 opposing coaches against Inter Miami, it's the 9th minute.
He's going to slide it to Jose Martinez over to Lionel Messi. Broken up by Awful, not clear yet. Miami shouting for a handball. Not out of danger for Charlotte, though. More shouts, and now the penalty's given. Not on the first one, but the... Martinez scores! It's not the first 10 minutes, but it's not much further after. 1-0 Miami. He's let Jose Martinez take it. Jordi Alba drives it. Miller is clipped and draws the...
Harrison Awful, that's as unlucky as it gets, but the right call was made here.
90 degrees Fahrenheit, humidity upwards of... Kamil Uzviak, rather, it's broken up. And now with Cremasco, clipping it towards the run of Cremasco and too far.
He may walk around the...
Flipped it on well. Swiderski takes his time. This is given away again. Can Uzviak take advantage? Uzviak floating it towards Cup.com/tickets. Winner of Inter Miami Shark. Scott Arfield, Kamil Uzviak. Some room. Runs into Sergio Busquets. Wide to Bronico. Floating it. That goes for Bender. How does that to the calendar will come collect?
Yeah, but I like Andrew Privet stepping into the midfield. We talked about him.
This is so good from Miami. Well, the final thought on display against Dallas. We're seeing it on display right now. Getting Miranda into a deep. Kicks out. He took a game off from scoring, Robert Taylor against Dallas. Back to it. This is just the second time this tournament that Miami has gone up 2-0.
Now finished the playoff.
Arroyo intervening before it could get to Swiderski here, but still there for Charlotte. Bender floating it towards Swiderski with Cal. Whipped across for Uzviak.
Profile, he's going to ask real questions of the 2 center backs and allow Swiderski to float off of that.
Who do you take off?
It all depends on do you want...
Trying to get an even bigger hole early on. Jordi Alba is central. In this new era of Inter Miami, all in the Leagues Cup. And they are Arfield floating it over Calvary. Backpedals and is able to catch. Drives it in. Yedlin heads
A few spurts here and there, but for Inter Miami, it's been the supporting cast.
He's in play. Uzviak, good ball. Flicked on. Right to catch. The center back is forward. The touch is a little too heavy. And Kenny Westwood. Jalen Lindsay. Kelly get one back off the corner. Floated to the back post. Agarat. Swiderski trying to turn. Not
they do with the ball and how they interchange in the midfield to make sure that...
See, Awful steps up and does well to win it. Awful from distance and over the bar.
Yeah, Cremasco's got to be careful, but Messi just telling him to play
on his left. Messi around 2. Still Lionel Messi. It's blocked by Lindsay.  'Messi. Right back to Messi. His cross is blocked only as far as Cremasco.
Onto the building. It just feels different. This is a Leagues Cup quarterfinal. And
around Melanda, Taylor to Lionel Messi, back to Robert Taylor.
Different than 3-0.
Swiderski from distance. Straight Calendar does make his first save of this match in the 55th minute. That's where you go to get an education, and you're just playing at by Ashley Westwood. Their goal tonight. Swiderski from distance. Calendar was scrambling. It wasn't far away, but it's out for a goal kick. 7 in MLS play this year. This is Ajiman. Ajiman wins it back for Charlotte. Messi. Jordi Alba. Alba. Joseph. Patrick Ajiman cutting it back. Still not clear. To Jagere. Keeps it in play. Ben Bender. Under a lot of pressure, and he's fouled by Ashley Westwood. Ashley Westwood, 10 years. Lionel Messi. Here's Ajiman again, creating problems. Getting around Miller, who drags him down. This will be the second yellow card of the match. Kamal Miller going into the book. Whipping it into the box. Not clear. Is there a handball? Running it, DeAndre Yedlin. Now clipping it towards Ajiman. Moose to the French Cup title last year. Floated in and count. Robert Taylor. Can Miami put this away? Didn't get the ball. Kristoff. It was poked away clean. Swiderski. Vargas. Robert Taylor. Taylor cutting it back to Messi, and it's blocked. That woke up the crowd here at Drive Big Stadium. Messi shifting it to his left foot. Messi sliding it. It came off of Melendez. Serves it in. Ajiman is there. He missed it. That was the chance Charlotte had been looking for. And Ajiman just couldn't get it right. With Messi on the ball. Over to Gomez. Cutting it in. For a second straight match, Inter Miami, the beneficiary of an own goal. And Jagere just missed it. Makes its way to Affel. Swiderski towards Westwood. Broken up for Gomez. Carlino off his line, makes himself big, makes the save. Gomez lets it run out for a corner.
That's the one thing about this roster is Messi goes over to take this corner and the fans applaud him. It's just the